Welcome to another segment of Working Through the Weekend. I'm Spencer with Townline Equipment. We've got our same Kubota L2501 behind us, and this week we're featuring a power rake on the back of it. We're going to go through kind of the benefits of one of these, what this implement can do, how it goes on the tractor. The front, we still have the SGC 1060 grapple. That's going to disappear. We're going to pair the power rake with a rock bucket. The reason why? Once we've got all of our debris windrowed out of our garden, we'll come through, scoop it with the rock bucket, sift out some of the dirt, dump it off. This is kind of a practical way to show you what these implements are designed for. So, come along as we get some more projects done. Whenever putting any rear implement on your 3-point hitch, there's a very simple process to follow to make it manageable. And the way we do it is we'll start with our lower pins on both sides. Once we get those in, we'll hook up our PTO shaft with the top link out of the way. That gives us some better access in there. On this Harley rake, it does have an angle cylinder here, and that's run off these hydraulic hoses. These are going to attach to the tractor's rear remotes. Rear remotes is something we added over the course of the week. Rear remotes are auxiliary hydraulic outlets to the back of the tractor. So we're using these to do this angle cylinder on this Harley rake. Very commonly, you might have a landscape rake or a rear blade with hydraulic angle, and that's the kit that you would need. So we'll go get this hooked up and keep our day going. All right, so we have our lower links pinned in on both sides. The PTOs attached to the rear. Our top links pinned in. And right here is where we have our rear remotes, which are ran off of this lever here. And that's what's going to do the side-to-side angle. And the PTO is what drives the drum. Now, something that I ran into with this Harley rake is since it's a bigger implement and kind of heavy, it wants to sway back and forth. So today we actually did use our turnbuckles on the sides to make sure that this implement cannot slide into the sides of our tires while we're driving around. If you have more questions on some of this week's topics, whether it be rear Harley rakes, different options for buckets on the front, or auxiliary hydraulics such as these rear remotes, please reach out to us at townlineequipment.com. For more videos like this, visit our Facebook page or YouTube channel, Townline Equipment. As we carry on with Working Through the Weekend series, we bring new implements and different projects weekly to you to watch. Thank you, and have a good day.